In this Nerd Bytes episode, we're going to be talking about the differences between a full and basic user in New Relic One. In 2020, New Relic simplified our pricing to make it easier to get full visibility across all of your apps and systems. Rather than having different pricing metrics, overage policies, and retention levels per different data source, we've made it possible to instrument your entire stack and see all of your telemetry data in one place at 25 cents per gigabyte within a powerful, fully managed database. In addition to our telemetry data platform, we offer two primary user types to meet your organization's observability needs within New Relic One. That's full and basic. So we're going to take a quick look at what each of these users can access. Let's start with basic here. Basic users can access any of our instrumentation options, including our new guided install. Let's see, which automatically discovers and configures and deploys your instrumentation. I'm running on EC2, running EC2 on Linux, so I'll select that. It provides a single CLI command that will discover all the systems running on your host and recommend instrumentation options to you. Besides adding data to New Relic, basic users can also create and view custom dashboards here. So I select the APM troubleshooting dashboard. Here you can see some key metrics like throughput, response time, apdex, and error counts. I can go in and look at the NERCL query that created the chart. I can change the date range. I can save or add to a new dashboard. It's a pretty powerful capability for basic users here. In addition to be able to view and create dashboards, basic users can also access our alerts and AI UI. Here I can view incident events and create new alert policies, perhaps based on the error rate threshold that we're seeing in the dashboard we just checked out. So the basic user can do that. Create a new alert policy if I'd like. In addition, I can access the logs UI and I can see logs that we're sending to New Relic, and I can query them as well. Lastly, basic users can also do things like create API keys as well. So what happens if I'm a basic user and I realize that I really need to be able to drill down into my system's health or specific application errors using New Relic's curated full stack observability UIs? If I click on the full stack observability nav item, I'm presented with the option to upgrade my user type to full. This provides me instant access. Note, in our new user management and access security model, admins have the option to configure whether they want basic users to be able to self-upgrade or request an upgrade from admins before receiving full access. So that's another level of governance that you can choose. This is the perfect segue into the provisioned full user experience in New Relic One. Full users are typically engineers who develop, test, and maintain code, manage DevOps practices, regularly triage workflows, or troubleshoot errors and performance issues. These are the users you pay for. So let's take a quick look at what a full user sees when they log into the platform here. They have access to all of our curated full stack observability UIs like Explorer, APM, infrastructure monitoring, browser, mobile, synthetics, serverless monitoring, Kubernetes Cluster Explorer. They have access to everything. This gives them full access to advanced troubleshooting capabilities like errors, logs, and context, and distributed tracing as well. Here's a quick example of troubleshooting using the Kubernetes Cluster Explorer and logs and context, both available to full users. So I'm going to click on that. Here I can observe performance and dependencies across any Kubernetes environment. In this example, I can see on the left that I have 9 nodes. Any pods in yellow and red are not healthy, so maybe let's check one of these out here. On the side panel, we can see that the pod is in a crash loop backoff state, which means that our pod is stuck in a crashing loop. Let's see why. Click on this logs and context button. With visibility into logs, I can see that we have a stress process running inside the container, which is causing our pod to run out of memory, causing the container to crash with Kubernetes starting it over and over again. So based on this, they could take a variety of actions like removing the stress process, modifying the code, or changing the threshold for how the memory is allocated. As you can see, it only takes seconds to go from an error all the way to the log level to see what's impacting your app or system. I can do the same type of flow in a number of different UIs, including distributed tracing and errors within APM. In addition, full users can access admin capabilities like the user management UI to view and manage users. So this really sums up the different experiences for our full and basic users within New Relic One. If you have further questions about specifics, please reach out to your account manager, visit support.newrelic.com, or ask questions in our community forum at discuss.newrelic.com. Thanks for watching.